May sumigaw kanina, may pop of joke. Na-pressure bigla yung organizers.
May event po dito sa Bicol University.
Tagalog version.
Na kami ng
And
konti.
with that, we are honored to have with us the Philippine Dental Students Association AMEC chapter to share their message and insights with us tonight. May we invite
Ito lang ang
their
tinda namin,
president,
konting
Ms.
ka.
Michael Edmer Namoro. So, nasaan si Press? Hi po, Press.
Wow, so sweet po! I love it. I love the outfit po.
Hi. Thank you for having us here. Thank you for the invitation. BU College of Dental Medicine. Ayan, so of course, gusto ko muna i-shout out yung mga PDSA ALEC chapter officers.
Cheers from the student from Ago Medical and Educational Center. Ayan, shout out sa ating mga taga-Ago friends.
Medyo madami-dami silang partner.
Gano'n ko dyan nung nakatukaw. Wala lang. Ito kami sa Doctor of Dental Medicine. Ayan, nagtinda kami. Ayun, may aeroplano dumaan. Sirang kambuhay.
Tapos, isa ko rin po mag-thank you sa nanay ko, sa tatay ko, tapos sa inyong lahat. Partner, another Poco loyalty card naman ang ating winner. So let's draw kung sino ang mananalo.
Napaka-studios, pang-online classes sa akin kasi pang TikTok ko lang yan, pang